Apple needs to make phone service. You open up the Apple mobile app. You sign up in 2 minutes seamlessly like any other Apple service. It syncs to your Apple ID and the rest of your ecosystem, and an eSIM automatically installs on your iPhone. And you're all set. It's a dream of mine for something like this to one day exist, so here are all the details of Apple Mobile, how it would work, but also why they're probably never going to make something like this. So let's get started. Apple has a massive collection of services, from a credit card to a mobile gaming subscription to a secure cloud storage platform. You can also bundle all the things under one subscription with Apple One. With many of these services, Apple has multiple options depending on what you need. You can get a basic set of features on Apple Music for just $5 or full functionality for $10. If Apple made their own phone service, it would offer different plan options to suit the needs of different people. You could get yourself a basic plan with 8 to 10 gigs of data, perfect for the average user, for $20 a month, and work your way up to premium unlimited. But plans are just one thing. Apple, even as big as they are, probably doesn't have the capacity to build their own cellular network and cover millions of people. So instead, they'd have to consult the help of one of the existing major providers who already has an established cellular network. This would mean that Apple would become an MVNO, which stands for Mobile Virtual Network Operator. And these are pretty much all the carriers, aside from the 3 major ones, Verizon, at&t, and T-Mobile in the US, that offer more affordable service by renting space on those networks instead of building their own. The potential is there, and Apple would have absolutely no problem dominating this business because, well, they're Apple. Apple services integrate so smoothly and seamlessly with the iPhone and other products, so you can use an intuitive app to manage your account and data usage and also offer ultra levels of efficiency on the iPhone. Features like Smart Data Mode and Allow More Data on 5G would work extremely well, and allow more capacity on the cellular network for more users to get better speeds. But additionally, it would also open up a huge door for deals. Apple and their carrier partners currently have a lot of ways to get the iPhone for a lower price, whether it be through trade-in or monthly installments or carrier plan promotions. So just imagine how Apple can introduce deals of their own with Apple Mobile without having to pay a single penny to the other carriers. However, there's a reason why I mention all this first. As much of a dream as this is, I don't think it'll actually happen. Apple would have no problem starting an MVNO of their own, but it's not really in their area of expertise. They'd much rather work with carriers to sell the iPhone and count on them for the service. Imagine how many ties Apple would cut with their carrier partners had they introduced practically direct competition to them. It's also just not worth their time because when Apple does something, they go big. So in this case, they'd have to make Apple Mobile available in many countries to reach as many people as possible. It's not impossible, it's just implausible. But the final nail in the coffin for Apple Mobile is, why would they need to make it? Remember, Apple's used to profit margins from 30 to 60% on their hardware and services. But the wireless business is just low profit. Even if they charge more than other MVNOs, which they could get away with, they still wouldn't make much money off of it, and the cost to enter this market is still extremely high, not even including marketing and paying for network access. Trust me, Apple phone service would be magical, and I would absolutely love to see it happen. But they're probably not going to do it, so as of now, it remains a fantasy of mine. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another one. And if you like wireless analysis videos like this, then let me know in the comments and I'll definitely make more of them. But with that, I'm Max, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.